Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to talk about how to be consistent in any skills and any language. Because if we are not consistent in our any skills, so we are not be fluent and we are not be improve. Because consistency is very important. So whenever we try to learn something new and we are in our initial days when we want to learn anything, whether English or anything else, sorry, because it is a whenever I'm not doing any practice, so that's why I'm stuck and I fumble. So that's why this is a tongue slip. So you can ignore me this side, but which things I want to share, this is a consistency is very important. So whenever I'm not consistent my English journey, so next day I'll get fumble and I'll get stuck. Why? Because if I'm not doing any practice, if I not doing any exercise, which skill you want to learn, so that's why consistency is very important. So nowadays I'm little bit busy, so I can't be practice every day. So that's why next day I see myself, I get stuck whenever I want to speak, which all English I know, so I'll just forget. I don't know why. So that's why consistency is very important. If you want to learn this language, English language especially, so initial days you should be consistent in this language. If you're not consistent in your initial days, so you can't be fluent in this language. So initial days you can't skip in a day, you can't skip your everyday. You should practice every day. That's why when you will be become fluent, so that time you can skip. Because in our life, not in single word which is English, because everyone is different, everyone has their own choice, and everyone has their own life, which things we want to learn. So we are independent and we can do everything. So whenever I just want to share these things, why consistency is important. Because whenever I skip my a day, so next day I fumble in English language and I forget something learned in my uh, which I learned in my earlier day. So that's why I fumble. So guys, whenever you have not enough time to do English practice, so that time you can do things, you can listen only. Which things you have like airports and earphones, so you can listen only. So then this technique gonna help you. Because if you are connected every day in an English language and you are listen some English content, so that's why you are connected every day. If you are not connected, if you are take long break, so you will be stuck. So that all things happened with me, so that's why I'm share with you. So that's why I would to say consistency is very important in our initial days. When you will be able to speak fluently this language, so you don't worry. Because that time you if you don't have time and if you are don't consistent that time, so that is normal thing. Because that time you will be fluent, so you can skip your day, which day you don't want to learn this language and which day you don't want to speak. So but in your initial days is very important. So that's why guys, I'm share with you this all things, why consistency is very important. If we want to learn anything, whether English and something new things which you want to learn. Because but I learn these days only English, so that's why I can't be fluent until now. So that's why I'm doing practice every day. If I skip my uh, uh, if I skill my single day, so in the next day I get stuck. So that's why I tried my best to do every day practice, whether 15 minutes, whether or 10 minutes. So that's why, guys, I just want to share this all things which can you help improve your English. Why consistency is very important, because if we are take a long break, so we will be forget everything which we learned your initial days. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this video will help you somewhere. So if I do any mistake, so you can correct me, because I'm also learner. I don't do any mistake, and if I always get hesitate to speak, so how can I learn? So that's why I'll make my video and improve myself, and I'll share with you all things which I do, so you can correct me. So guys, that's all for today, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.